My name is JP Hunt, and in this video we're going to showcase 3 new features that have just been released to GraphicsFlow. Now, the first can be found at the very top of any of these stock art workspaces. So if you navigate to Design Ideas, Clip Art, or Fonts, you'll see at the very top an indicator of how many downloads you have used in the billing period. So in this case, you can see at the very top where it says Stock Art, you can see 20 of 100 downloads. There's a little indicator. You can hover your mouse over that indicator, and it'll tell you when the billing period resets. This is a helpful way of understanding how many downloads you've taken advantage of in the billing period. Now, the next feature, you can see a little green indicator that will correspond to any file that you've already downloaded. So in this case, you can see this file that I'm hovering my mouse over, this family reunion concept. There's a green little check mark at the very top right. And that's an indicator that this file has previously been downloaded. So in GraphicsFlow, we do not penalize you for re-downloading previously downloaded stock artworks. That does not count against your download limits. So you can see a green indicator. You also notice when you hover your mouse over that file, it will also remind you that that file has been downloaded. And again, if you hover your mouse over that indicator, it will say this file has already been downloaded. Downloading it again will not count towards your limit. So again, that's how you can have a clear understanding of which files you've downloaded and leveraged, and you can easily download that file again without it counting against your limit. Now again, this is going to be available in Design Ideas and Clip Art as well. Now let's head over to the third and final feature in this software release. I'm going to head over to Art Approvals, and we want to showcase you now have the ability to add fonts to your art approvals and graphic presentations. So oftentimes when you're working with a customer and you're presenting design concepts and ideas, you oftentimes need to present maybe different font choices or font options. Well, that's now possible in the GraphicsFlow art approval workflow. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and click Add, and if I go to Stock Art as an option, you'll notice at the very top, now you have a third option, which is the ability to add fonts to your art approvals and art presentations. So at the very top, I can distinguish between Design Ideas, Clip Art, and Fonts. And now I can select a font that I might want to showcase or allow my client to choose from or see. So in this case, I'm going to choose 2 fonts. I'm going to click Add Files, and those 2 fonts will now be available in the art approval or graphics presentation. So it's been a roundup of our latest software release. We will continue to generate these videos to showcase all of the new enhancements and features. And we have some really exciting things in store for you here very soon. So make sure to stay tuned for these feature release videos.